Hey, welcome to BlueTuskr's how-to videos. In this tutorial, we will walk you through on how to edit your listing and product information on Amazon Seller Central. Have you ever wondered where to go when you need to update your listing? Or which is which? Where can I find this detail? I want to specify that I am compliant with the standards. Well, this tutorial is one of the basics that you need to know as a seller on Amazon. Let's get into it. Let's start by logging into Amazon Seller Central. That's sellercentral.amazon.com. Click the login button on top and enter your email or your phone number and the password of your Amazon seller account. Then, click the sign in button. Now that you're on the main dashboard, what we need to do next is to access the Manage Listing page. Click the menu icon on top, and on the menu, hover your mouse to the inventory and select Manage Inventory on the selection. This is the Manage Inventory page. You can do a lot of things here with your listings, but for now, we'll edit a listing. Choose the listing that you wish to edit. Right away, you can edit the price of your listing in the price and shipping cost column. But if you wish to edit some other details, you can click the Edit button right beside the listing. If the Edit button is not available, click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Edit. There are a couple of tabs, but you'll start at the Offer tab. The Offer tab is where you can manage the pricing of your listing. This is where you can set the current price of your item. You also have an option to set up a sale price at the set dates if you wish to. You can as well set up the maximum order quantity, indicate the production time, and set up the gifting. So, this is the Offer tab. The Vital Info tab is where you will be able to edit the main information. As you notice that there are items with an asterisk. These are the required fields, means that something must be in there and it needs to be accurate. The Variation tab is where all of the variations will be shown. We don't have variation for this listing, that's why it's empty. We'll have a different tutorial for that. The Compliance tab is where all of the certification details needs to be. This is mostly used if you're selling something related with chemicals or food. If your product needs to comply with the standards, then this is the tab that needs to be filled. Images tab is where you can manage your images. This is where you can upload, delete, and arrange the image sequence. The Description tab is where you can edit your product description. This should be the marketing pitch for your product. Your product description plays a big impact in winning the buy box. So make sure that you add SEO-rich keywords on your description so that it allows you to drive free traffic through Amazon's organic search. The Keywords tab is for the search terms keywords. In order for customers to find your products on Amazon, it's important to provide search terms they might use when searching for what they want to buy. Lastly is the More Details tab. This is where you can indicate other details of your listing that you didn't specify. This consists of your product weight, size, dimension, and many more. After you went over all the tabs, and after you have edited or updated your listing, the only thing that's left to do is to save the changes. Click the Save and Finish button at the bottom to finalize the changes. It should give you a prompt that the detail page will reflect the changes. Just click Done. And finally, the prompt will show up indicating that the updates have been submitted And please allow Amazon a maximum of 24 hours to update the listing. So there you have it. We just went through the tabs in editing your product listing. If you want to know more on how to improve your listing quality, you might want to check our previous tutorial. See you soon in our next tutorial. Do you like this content? If you do, don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll get notified in our next video.